Hello everyone, this is Chatty from Ray Attachments, which is a manufacturer for skid steer loader and attachments. This is our wheel skid steer loader. It with small size and maneuverabilities allows them to operate in tight space. Their lightweight allows them to fit different attachments and make them very flexible. This is our wheel skid steer loader with rated power 19 to 74 km, equal 30 to 100 horsepower, operation load 380 to 1,100 kilograms, equal 838 to 2,425 pounds. Engine Chinese brand, Yamaha brand, color brand with EPA Kubota brand exist options. Motor, Eaton Reservoirs white exist brand, multi-wife Italian brand, connection with them with bubble cut, operate easy and simple. It can fit to different attachments, swivel, grass cutter, snow blade, auger, hydraulic breaker, motor. A professional company and teams are ready for you. Any question, just contact Ray Attachments, making your engineering easier and faster. Thank you.